I think we just got a Valk sticker that's kind of dirty. There's bread and egg next to the Valk 5 on this one. Tensions don't seem bad. Let's try it. Wow. Oh my goodness, that is smooth. Got another package. I was thinking about naming this video 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 unboxing, but there's no 2x2 or 1x1. So we got a 5x5, we got a 4x4, we got 3x3 for the lubing video that I promised. Alright, move the camera here. Let's get on with the unboxing, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at all that stuff, man. This is very, very exciting. The RS4M, guys. Wow. Yeah, this thing was rumored by Yusheng on YouTube a while ago, but it's very exciting. And then finally, oh wait, we got Valk 5. Let's go. Alright, I want to start off with the RS4M. I think this is a very exciting product, and I'm curious to see how it compares to the RS3M. So, let's crack right into this thing. Very nice. I'm very excited. We got an accessories box. We got the 4x4 and a Moyu cube stand. So I actually got a repeat color. This cube actually doesn't seem as big as I thought it was, which is very nice. Let's take a look at the accessories really quick. We got another Moyu screwdriver, which I'm perfectly okay with. We got some cards, got a pamphlet. Who's this guy? Yeah, I don't really know that guy, but that's alright. Let's just crack right into it. I am so excited. Kind of tough. Okay. And the most satisfying part. Oh yeah. Alrighty. So we got the 4x4 here with the frosted plastic, which I absolutely love. Tensions, not bad. Let's get into first turn. Okay. Okay, that was a terrible PL parody. Interesting. Wow, it's very smooth. It does feel really similar to the RS3M. It feels like a little bit loose right now though. It feels decent, but it feels a little bit uncontrollable. The outer magnets are definitely pretty weak, and the inners are definitely a medium strength. So, if you like the feel of the RS3M, this is sort of similar. It also doesn't come with spring noise, which is pretty nice. Let's test corner cutting. 45, no, too ambitious. Ooh, okay, only about a piece. A little bit past a piece. Let's try a different side. Okay, seems like that is the corner cutting. It is quite heavy. This is the MGC 4x4, and this is the 5, which I'll be comparing to the Valk in a second. But as you can see, this is the size difference. It's not that much bigger. I think I like this size a bit better. It's really smooth and I like that. Corner cutting doesn't corner cut for sure. Yeah, I really like the feel of this cube. It just feels a bit locky, and I definitely do need to tighten it a bit. The MGC feels really nice. This feels definitely a lot smoother, like the RS3M. So if you like a smoother feel, then this might be the cube for you. Yeah, it just feels a little bit locky and uncontrollable right now, but that will be better with tensioning. So I'll go tension this in a bit actually. So let's put those two to the side and let's get on with the main show, guys. This is my MGC5. I like the MGC5. I think it's a pretty good puzzle, but I don't really know how to tension it and loop it, so hopefully the pro shop of the Valk will be nice. Wow, guys, I've never gotten a Valk cube, but they're just so cool. Look at this packaging, man. Look at that packaging. And the accessories box is like a, I don't even know what this is. Alright, we got a lot of stuff. We got the cleaning cloth, which I will test out maybe later. We got a lot of cards here. Wow. Oh, this is like pretty thin paper. Is this a sticker? I think we just got a Valk sticker that's kind of dirty. There's stuff on it. That's kind of cool. There's bread and egg next to the Valk 5 on this one. Matt's Valk. Sorry, I'm taking a look at the pamphlets because I like taking a look at these. Matt's Valk. I got a Valk 5 in a book. Ooh, it does tell you some like algorithms and stuff. Valk 5. more algorithms, and another Valk 5 with more algorithms. Let's hop right on into the Valk 5. I am very excited for this thing. Wow, okay, you can definitely feel lube on the outside, but I actually tested this at Speaker Shop. Let's look at the size. I think they're about the same, so like a 62mm. It's more squared off than the MGC. You can definitely feel the lube on the outside because of the Pro Shop. Take a look at tensions. Also, it is lighter, which is very nice. Let's try it. Wow! Oh my goodness, that is smooth. Sorry, I'm just like doing T-perms and stuff. Oh my god. That is very, very smooth. Well, okay. That's okay. 1.5 piece. That's pretty good. I don't think. Oh, yeah, MGC can do that too. Well, MGC's corner cut is actually pretty insane. Let's just reverse on this really quick. Ooh, wow. What? Okay, wow. Reverse is like almost past a piece. That is unheard of, man. But yeah, the Valk 5, it just flows together so well. Take a look at shades really quick. The green, it's a little bit different. The orange is a little darker, I like that. The blue is about the same. The red is a little darker as well. I might tighten it by a tiny bit just because I like a lot of stability in puzzles. But it feels really, really nice. Because the MGC is less than half the price of the Valk 5. And with its setup, the Valk 5 comes in at around $55. It is a little bit slower on the insides, but you want to break it in. So I'll do a couple solves with both cubes and tighten both by a little bit. Okay guys, so I just tightened the 4x4 by like a tiny bit. And I have to say, it feels a lot better. I love the feel of like how fast it is. And I'm a person who just likes smooth turning a lot better. Also, the MGC might be slightly small for me. I feel like it might be more controllable than this for sure. But as a beginner puzzle, this is really good. Let's do a solve. Okay, I like it a lot. I think the size is a bit bigger than the MGC. I kind of like that. So if you really like frosted plastic and fast, smooth cubes, this might be the one for you. And then let's just do a solve with the Valk 5, I guess. I didn't even tension it. I should probably tension. Oh, there's a lockup right there. Wow. I don't actually know how to fix that lockup. I think, this needs to go there, I think, right? No, I think that fixed it, okay. But yeah, let's just do a time-lapse solve. Okay, that was a very good solving experience. I have to say the algorithms are smoother. Everything I wanted to do was smoother. This cube is it's really light. It's super smooth. I would say to tension it, definitely. I don't know what it's like out of the box, but with the Pro Shop service, I really like the feel of the lube and everything. This cube just flows super well, and in my opinion, that's what's really important in a puzzle. So anyway, guys, this video has been dragging on for quite a while now, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments section down below, are you going to be picking up the RS4M? And if you have any questions about any of these puzzles, I will go ahead and try my best to answer them. Also, guys, lubing video, setup video, coming soon. I'm so sorry that I've delayed it, but yeah, hopefully this one does have some spring noise, so I will see you guys next time.